Assalamualaikum. Welcome everyone, and I hope you will be fine. This is Faiza, and this is your summer task of the subject English language. And here are some activities for you to improve your English language. We'll start from the first activity. Okay, first activity is about antonyms. What is the antonym means? To opposite of the someone. Okay, there are some words given in the bar, and you will have to use these words, these antonyms, in the blanks. Read the blanks very carefully. Here are 10 sentences with the blanks. Like, first is, we fill the blue pail with the small marbles and the red pail with the dash. The word that is underlined, you will have to write its antonym, and the antonym of this word is given in the top of the page in the bar. Okay, same as you will have to read rest of the blanks, and you will have to fill by using these antonyms. Next activity is about future continuous tense. What is future continuous tense? We use will be or the fourth form of verb. Here are some pictures given, and the word that are in bracket, you will have to use this word in future continuous tense. Read all the pictures very look at the pictures very carefully, and look the word that is in brackets. Use these words with the future tense. Okay, next is about past continuous tense. In past continuous tense, what we do, we use was or verb with the fourth form, means first form with ing. Okay, here are some clues for you. The pictures that are marked ticked, you will have to make the sentences about simple past tense using was or were. The pictures that are marked as a tick, you will have to use in these blanks was or were. Or the pictures that are marked cross, you will have to use in these blanks was not or were not. And you will have to do all the pictures like this. And the pictures that are marked as question mark, you will have to use just was or were in these blanks, okay, to make the question. The next activity is about collective noun. There are the meanings. You will have to give a name, like is a group of soldiers is called and dash. You will write about the specific name here, that if a group of soldiers is here, then what you will call that group. Same like that, you will have to fill rest of the blanks with the collective noun. Okay, next is idioms. This is very interesting activity. The first idiom is my dogs are barking. This is an idiom. The meaning of this idiom is my feet are hurting. In the unique way, you can if your feet are hurting, you can say in unique word that my dogs are barking. Use this idiom in your sentence. Next idiom is hold your horses. It means calm down. If you want to say someone calm down, you can say hold your horses. Use this idiom also in your sentence. Next is on a roll, means doing a good job or making good progress. If someone or you are making a good process or doing a good job, you can say the word on a roll. Use this word, this idiom in your sentence. Next is raining cats and dogs. What does it mean? It means raining really hard. If there is raining outside very hard, you can use this idiom, raining cats and dogs. Use this idiom in your sentence. The next idiom is hit the sack. If you want to say that you are going to sleep, this is a specific idiom to say that you are going to sleep, or if you want to say that good night, you can use the word, you use this idiom, hit the sack. Use this idiom in your sentence. Hope you will do it very great. Thank you so much and good luck.